Hey y'all, what is going on? I hope you guys are doing awesome and amazing. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing, sharing, and chatting with you all about my juicing, what I like about it. This right here was actually my first watermelon of the summer. It was so good, super juicy, super sweet, and super delicious, very hydrating. I did do some juicing this summer. I can't lie, I still love juicing. It's just like, I think I found my new thing that's kind of therapeutic, if you will, which is the juicing. I still love it. It's just so cool to see what the juice looks like when you're juicing different types of fruits and vegetables, and like what's really hiding in those fruits and vegetables. But I just love it, guys. I highly encourage you all to juice. If you have not, give it a try. I know there's always different opinions on juicing, but I absolutely love the juicing. You can use juicing for, I guess, plenty of things, giving your body a restart, detoxing, losing weight, clearing your skin, getting your health together. Just, I feel like there's a juice for everything. You know what I mean? Here, I'm just making me a green juice. I love me a green juice, guys. I actually made one today. This video is old, but this is pretty much what I've been doing over the summer and things like that. Just squeezing it all together in one. So I did juice me some juice actually today and yesterday. But green juice is definitely always my go-to, my favorite, because it's so hydrating and refreshing. And yeah, guys, see I got my watermelon tea in the back. The link will be down below if you want to get you some tea. The watermelon tea tastes so good. Again, these products has helped me lose 25 pounds. So now it's time for me to create a new story. I'm ready to get back on my products, and the link will be down below for that. Go ahead and get you some. Also, I mix my watermelon tea with my watermelon juice. So good, so refreshing. It's just like super good. As you can see, it was so good. Refreshing. This is my little juicer. I done broke about 2 or 3 juices, so hubby got me this little travel size juicer for my birthday. And I've been using it ever since. So yes, y'all, I'm going to get me a Nama J. I still want that juicer so bad, still on my list, but for right now, this is what I've been using, and it definitely has been getting the job done. So even if you don't have a juicer, you can definitely use a blender, no problem. Just do whatever works for you. Sorry, this is super zoomed in, but that looks so amazing. Like, this is crazy. This is like oddly satisfying videos. I love watching my juices, the colors. It's just so it just brings life. You know what I mean? So if you a juicer and you know, then you know. But that looks so awesome and amazing. So yeah, guys, it's just juicing is just my way of just, making me happily drinking my juice. And I'm just ranting, y'all, just watching and enjoying it. But I did actually make me another kale, cucumber, celery, apple, ginger, lemon juice. So good to drink in the morning on an empty stomach. So yeah, guys. So as the year is coming to a close, the day of this recording is actually the next day after Election Day. So it's November 6th now, and the year is almost over. So we are slowly creeping up into a new year, and I just want to do better this year. I can't complain. I'm grateful for the things that I've been through and came across this year, but I know next year can definitely be better, and I wish that is better for you all as well. This year, just make it your business to focus on you and do the things that you say you're going to do. Life is short, time waits for no one, so just do everything that you want to do. Don't worry about who doesn't like it and who doesn't support you. Just do it anyway. If you don't know where you want to go or how you want to start anything, I just say do it. These are my kids feeding Gary. Meet Gary. Go subscribe to our family channel if you want to check out Gary and see what he's about. But yeah, guys, just do you, focus on you, and just focus on creating the life that you want to live for you and your family. If you have kids, if you don't, but now's the time to really just focus on you. I told myself this year, this time around, I'm going to focus more on what I like to do. I like to talk. I like to make videos. I like to just be my free, silly self. So I plan to focus more on my channel this year and just move at my own pace. I know sometimes it might be overwhelming. Yes, that grapefruit juice was so good, but it was sour. Hey, y'all. I'm at the gym. Look at my view. Nice and chill. Go. Alright guys, you probably can't see me that well, but I'm in the sauna now at the Y. I did 30 minutes on that machine. I gotta remember the name of it. But yeah, I feel good. I need that sweat and I see my face is breaking out. Only because every time I eat sugar, anything sweet, cookies, candy, immediately my skin will break out from it. So no more of that. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit there maybe 10, 15 minutes, get my sweat on, and then go on my day. Well, I'll see you guys when I get in the car. It's empty today in the gym, so. Alright y'all, so I just left the gym. Don't mind my hair is looking, it was in twisties, but I just let it loose. Cause I'm working out and I'm gonna do it later. You see a little leftover curl. But anyway, I'm still sweating. I feel really, really good. Yeah, I feel good, y'all. So listen, when you don't feel like going to the gym, carry your ass on and go anyway. I'm telling you, those be the best workouts for whatever reason. I don't know why is that, but when you don't feel like going and you go, it always turns out to be a beautiful workout. Like, I feel really good. I had a great sweat. I went in the sauna. I love that sauna. Oh, I can't wait to get one built in my house. So just go when you don't feel like going. So I ain't got, what was it, like 3:22 right now? So the day is pretty much over, halfway through. I'm gonna just go home, probably take a shower, wash my hair, see what I'm gonna do with it. I was drinking me some lemon and ginger water. I made like a mad bottles of it right here. So I know it's been a minute since I did a juicing video. I got one coming, I got some coming. But I still love the juice. That's not gonna go nowhere. I really plan on doing a real strict 3-day straight only juice. Maybe only green juice or something like that. I'm gonna figure it out, but I'm still a juicer. I still love to juice. And yeah, guys, this is a short video. I just wanted to bring y'all along to the gym with me and just encourage y'all. If y'all don't feel like going to the gym, go anyway. I know there's been some things that have been bothering me these last few weeks, but I told myself I'm not going to let it get the best of me because I still have a lot to be grateful for. You know, as you do too. So if it's something you're dealing with or you going through, it stresses you out and you don't know what to do, just know you have a lot to be grateful for, because of course there's always someone in a worse situation than you are. So I said I have a lot to be grateful for. I'm not gonna be, you know, taking it to the head too much, overthinking, you know what I mean? So just live in the moment, live for today, and get stuff done. Whatever you want to do today, do it today. Don't put it off till tomorrow, you know? So I did make some chia pudding, so I might go home and eat that, snack on that, cut some apples up in that, and just cool out, y'all. So I will see y'all later. Oh, this hair gotta get clean. It's dry.